Question comes in GATE 2025 in Set-1. So let's read the question first. Consider a demand paging memory management system with 32-bit logical address. So basically the logical address is 32-bit and 20-bit physical address. So physical address is 20-bit and page size of 2048 byte. So page size is 2048 byte. Assuming that the memory is byte addressable, what is the maximum number of entries in the page table? We have to find the number of entries in page table. The rule to find the number of page table is number of entries in page table is logical address size by page size. So the logical address is 32-bit, means 2 power 32 byte, and the page size is 2048, so it will be 2 power 11 byte. So the answer will be 2 power 21. Answer is 2 power 21. Okay, so the answer will be 2 power 21. Let's check the answer. Correct. ठीक.